Hi Gemini, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be making this reading for you for the month of June 2025. Let's see what is up for the sign of Gemini. Outside it's so beautiful, it's like raining and it is like nice weather. So maybe Gemini has some great messages. Let's see what is the message coming up for Gemini in terms of their health. Okay, Five of Wands. So there is shift in this energy, there is transcendence. Yes, कुछ पुराना ऐसा है जो आपको निकालना है. Gemini the lovers, this is you have some opportunity in spiritual growth and that is getting stopped by your body somehow. You have to use your it can be tiredness and boredom playing out in your life, or it can be some restriction that you don't want to share your body, or you do not want to use your body. There can be that you are lazy but you have to work hard right now, and either that or something like you are not respecting the part of you, your blood or your passion or how you pursue things. You can be obsessing over something right now, Gemini, and that is what you're being asked to be a giver here. You're being asked to let go in some way so that this new start can happen for you. And there is this confusion in emotional ways. You can be feeling confusion right now, Gemini, and today you are being asked to transcend that. You're being asked to move above that. Let's see what is the card for work. Four of Cups. Emotionally you're not invested in your work and finances, and obviously that's affecting your health, Gemini. The third card over here is the Queen of Wands. This is your relationship. There is presence of a very strong passionate female here. There is presence of somebody who really wants what she wants. She is not so sure about herself, but she is confident. She doesn't know what exactly she wants, but she's coming for something. So this is the kind of person either you're dealing with, or there is a female like this around, or you are this female, Gemini, right now. And this is a fire sign. So but I feel that maybe you're yeah. OCD and judgment are two keywords coming here. There is some kind of transcendence that you have to make happen in your insecure through your insecurities, busting out of your insecurities as a confident, sharing yourself person. The overall energy that you're getting here is of the High Priestess. This is about the secrets that you do not tell anyone else. This reading is very, like, it started with your health. समथिंग राइट नाउ जमेना, अगर बाकी की रीडिंग आपसे रेजोनेट नहीं भी कर रही है, अपनी हेल्थ पे एक बार ध्यान दे देना. आर यू फीलिंग really healthy? If the answer is no, if there is some conflict in your health, this is your reading, Gemini. This is telling you to move away from feeling like victim of yourself. Some way you are not present at work, you are not emotionally available to the people that you really wanted to be emotionally available for, because you have some wounds with a place in you that feels like a threat, though it is your own clarity and third eye. This is your own intuition. Somewhere you are not being able to forgive your own self, and that, Gemini, is getting called out in this reading. The advice here is the Knight of Swords. Channel your divine anger. Do you see? This is Kali over here, and this is divine anger coming through for you, Gemini. This is very spiritual. I didn't know my Gemini followers are this spiritual, man. I hope we all of us get release this energy from the collective Gemini, and we are all able to ground this. So I feel the grounding here is very much in the fact how you give, how you release, how you give out, how you let go, how you accept others, how you accept things around you, how you know कि जब आसपास सब कुछ अच्छा हो रहा है मतलब सब कुछ अच्छा ही होगा. You do not need to doubt that. You do not need to doubt yourself, your own intuition. You need to channel your anger in a way that you communicate. Maybe you need to write. You need to aggressively write. So somewhere the mental energy getting released here has to happen aggressively, has to happen in a way that it catharsis. The whole healing has to come from within, and the opening gate of this healing is your own intuition. Your intuition is telling you something. Now I'm getting called to clarify this reading. Let's see what is this High Priestess about. What is your intuition telling you? It is telling you about the Empress. It is telling you about how all is one, and what you're experiencing right now is a phase. How you can be stuck in a phase of not feeling enough about your intuition. That doesn't mean your higher self doesn't exist. That doesn't mean that the God, the ultimate father, the ultimate mother doesn't exist and she is the one making all this happen. She's trying to channel through you a very confident, secure person, but you have been designing your life against this confident person. You do not like yourself being confident. You have somebody needs to forgive you, or you need to forgive someone. Six of Wands, you need to show up for some relationships and some ways of connecting with people where you are giving, where you're showing up, where coming from the space of love instead of hiding, instead of feeling like you have to control every situation, you have to control every part of everyone's life. You cannot, एक तरफ तो आप बिल्कुल भी कंफ्यूज नहीं रह सकते, आपको बिल्कुल अच्छा ही नहीं लगता अगर आप कंफ्यूजन में हो, और दूसरी तरफ आपके पास दूसरों को कंफ्यूजन के सिवा देने के लिए कुछ है भी नहीं. सो जेमिनी, यू आर सम वे इन अ soup of this is a loop of emotional unavailability is what I'm hearing. Loop of emotional unavailability. Either you or somebody else is emotionally unavailable to fulfill you, and that is being asked to heal. You being asked to get out of all this. Let's see the guidance here. Four of Swords. Meditate more. This is your remedy. This is what you have to do. This is what will make some abundance come from the universe towards you. Meditate, Gemini. Meditate on restful, being restful, calming down your nervous system. If it is not happening due to others, you yourself have to calm down your nervous system. You have to be grounded. You have to channel this Empress, which is a very confident feminine again. Somebody who is like the queen of all. She is the spring. The spring has sprung on this card with a peacock, like sharing and ruling and being confident and giving it to people the way they. So she has a mirror, like it feels like a mirror. So she gives back to people in a confident manner. Maybe you are right now also giving back to people, but from an insecure space. But you have to give back to people in a confident manner. That's what this Empress is telling me for you. And for that, you need to be more Four of Swords, more like when you sleep, sleep deep. If your sleep is not deep, and I'm not saying do not go into bed, oh I have to sleep, no, deep sleep is actively happening. It is not an act that you do, you fall into it, and that is why you need to heal with this magician person, whoever is your money dealer, whoever is your abundance dealer, husband, father, masculine, somebody in your life is not honest, and that is what makes you feel that if this person is not honest, I will also not be honest. I will also hide. I will also not be authentic. That is being called out here. You have to be authentic. You have to. लोगों को आप अगर उन्हीं की भाषा में जवाब देने लग जाओगे तो आप में और उनमें फ़र्क क्या है, मतलब कि आप फिर कैसे स्टैंड, व्हाट इज़ योर ऑथेंटिसिटी, आप किस तरीके के इंसान हो, ये चीज़ें आपको अपने आप से पूछनी है, और आंसर आपके सामने है. इंट्यूशन इतनी तेज़ बोल रही है आजकल आपसे कि बस भाई यहाँ पे रुक जाओ अभी, इस चीज़ में आगे मत बढ़ो, पीस चुनो. पीस अपने लिए चुनो, किसी और के लिए नहीं, अपने लिए. जो भी सिचुएशन में आप हो, जिस भी तरीके से आपको ये कॉर्नर्ड फील हो रहा है जेमिनी, आपको अपने लिए पीस चुनना है. आपको एक ऐसे स्पेस में आना है जहाँ पे आप अपनी इंट्यूशन से कनेक्टेड हो, जहाँ पे आपको लोग भारी नहीं पड़ रहे हैं आपके ऊपर, जहाँ पे आपको अपने एंगर को, अपने वाक को चैनल करना आता है. दिस इज़ अ लॉट अबाउट थर्ड आई एंड योर थ्रोट. वाक शुद्धि, connection of third eye and throat, what purifies in through your third eye. So maybe keep go mum also for few hours at least in the day. Just don't speak. And mum is, this is mon, this is not even speaking inwards, this is deeper. This is not ki you're not speaking, you're also not speaking inside. That from there this will channel, the healing will channel. If you're still listening, Gemini, do these things for yourself. Change your own destiny. Change the, the timelessness is what you're being invited to experience. You're being invited to experience the river of blessings. Someone here can enter your life, some protection here can appear, and releasing the constraints can start making things happening for you if you are grateful, if you are in joyous view of your current individuality. And for that you have to be in touch with your body mind. Next time when we speak, let's not be this unhealthy space. Let's not be in an unhealthy, confusing space. Let's clear our blood. Let's detox. Let's get out of these neurotoxins that make you feel unavailable, or that you need to redesign the people in your life. You need to be controlling. No, you need to be releasing. Yeah, so that's how you can change your perspective, Gemini, and come to a place where you are actually in tune with who you are and how you need to move and how you are, this sensual, feminine wisdom, channeling, passion. This is very sweet energy. I want to leave you with this wisdom, that is landing upon you, and let the art, music, learning, wise things, that let that flow, let that flow. If you really want to tell something to someone, maybe make a YouTube video about it, like say things outside Gemini. So thank you so much for tuning in. If this resonated, let me know in comments, and please, I insist you, if you watch it till here, give me a comment. I need to know that you came into this healing with me. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll catch you in some other reading. Bye for now.